Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta. I hope you are doing well. To all my friends out there who are celebrating Navratri, happy Navratri to all of you. May Goddess Durga bring lots of happiness in your life. And all those people who do not know what Navratri is what I'm talking about. Guys, Navratri is basically a 9 days festival where we worship Goddess Durga. Coming back to today's video, I am going to review this L18 color matte lipsticks. Now this is their new launch, guys. I have been trying to get my hands on them for a really long time, but they're not that easily available, at least in the place where I live in, so I ordered them from Amazon. These are their second or third launch from L18, and all my viewers out there, L18 is from the similar brand of Lakme is little high end, whereas these are very inexpensive, very budget product, and they're basically targeted at college going student. And you can very easily see in their packaging that they target the college going student who cannot really spend a lot of amount, but they want a peppy looking, nice looking lipstick, so that's what they make here. Let's talk about how these products fares on my different criteria. So this is only for 100 rupees, which I think is a very decent price. Now when I see the ad of this particular lipstick on television, what they talk about is it's a one stroke pigmentation, so you do not have to apply it again and again. And second is, as the name suggests, it's a matte lipstick. Let's first talk about the packaging. So as you can see, it has a very classy, beautiful packaging. It's basically a plastic material. The quality of plastic is not very high, but again, you're only paying 100 rupees, so you cannot really expect much. As far as cap is concerned, it's sturdy enough to not open in your bag and spoil other things in your bag. As far as the bullet is concerned, this is decent enough. I have no complaint with this. Now let's talk about what details they mention on the product. First and foremost, they give you manufacturing date, that is 8 2016, MRP is 100 rupees, and then there is a barcode. On the back side of the lipstick, they talk about that they have 4.3 gram of product, the name of the lipstick, which is Pink Kiss, and then where it was made, and shelf life of the lipstick is 24 months. So decent enough. The packaging and details are concerned, I think very decent for 100 rupees. Now let's talk about the fragrance. It has the very L18. If you have used L18, it is the similar smell of Color Pop. So smell wise, it has not changed. And even if you have problem with smell, because lots of people get headache and all that, it would really not hurt you, because the smell is very mild. It will go away anyways as soon as you apply it on your lips. But even if you are super sensitive, it's not going to hurt you at all. I have nothing on my lip here, as you can see. I've also removed the lip balm which I had to get a fair idea of the lipstick. I am going to check two things. One is pigmentation, and second is the matteness of the lipstick. I've already tested its durability. I've already tested how long it will last if you have coffee and tea, and I will be talking about that now. So let me first apply it right in front of you. Okay, so it does give you a good swipe of pigmentation in first swipe itself. So I really like the pigmentation. But as far as being matte is concerned, I have tried it before and I've waited for it that it will settle down and make my lips look matte. No, that doesn't happen. It is a satiny finish lipstick. Matte is, I do not know why they have given it a matte name, but it's not matte at all. This is also a pro and also a con for them, because matte lipstick tend to dry your lips a lot, with this will not. But at the same time, when they say it's matte, it should be matte, but it is not. Now let's talk about the transferability of the product. I will do the transfer test right in front of you. It transfer completely, so you cannot really trust it as far as transferability is concerned. Now second is, because of this problem, this actually, once you have coffee, tea, food or something, it will totally go. So it might leave some stain on your lip which might make your lip look pink for a longer time, but beyond that, you know, as a lipstick it will not last on your lips. So all in all, I think it's a very average lipstick. Great for people who are going to college and school, but I think you can just invest a little more, buy a nice matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. They will be far better than this, because this will not last, and that is something I think everybody looks forward for in lipstick. That is not happening with this. I will also give you the comparison with the previous lipstick they had. This was their bullet where they had butter, inside the ColourPop Boost one. Although even this didn't last for way too long, so can't really say this was better or not. This I got for 150. At least the retailer sold me for 150. This is for 100. So yes, this is definitely better than this in terms of pricing. As far as pigmentation, longevity of the product is concerned, both of same. So I would say you can go ahead with this if you like L18, and if you can touch up your makeup again and again, yes, you can definitely look at it. Very budget, very good option. So friends, here I'm going to end this video. If you like what you have seen, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for many more reviews to come, and also share it with your friends and family. I'm sure they'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.